Okay guys, so today we are starting out the day by talking about how to make money with ClickFunnels and other products. So ClickFunnels, if you guys don't know, is basically one of the best products on the market to make money. We're going to be talking about all of the alternatives because I want to give you guys all the options you need. But really with something like ClickFunnels here, what you do is you put up a quick and easy landing page for people, and when they get onto your page, ClickFunnels has all of these amazing tools to boost their engagement and keep them buying. Um, they give you everything you need. This is used by the biggest players in the market, right? You get landing pages, webinars, membership sites, and even a regular website. You can do everything you need. For most people, unless you're some kind of wizard, you just need ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the most important websites on the internet if you're trying to make money, hands down. But I want to start out on the System.io page here. So we're going to be talking about what does ClickFunnels offer. So one of the biggest things is ClickFunnels will help you craft an intelligent sales funnel. They have this down to a science. The software is very easy to use, without a doubt. Really, if you want to learn how to use some of the more complicated stuff, I don't recommend it, but you always can. So the pricing is pretty good. Basic plan costs 97 per month. Um, that is a steal because you got to think of it this way: $97 per month, and you have a business. Any overhead, um, anything extra is out of your own pocket, but when in history do you get to start a business for $97? The more advanced editions cost a little bit more, like $297. But what I want to talk about is System.io, an alternative that I use. I really like it. So we're going to go to their homepage here, and we are just nope. We're going to go to their homepage. So this System.io is going to be the biggest competitor to ClickFunnels in the coming days. Really, their pricing is unbelievable, and the cool thing is that they have everything integrated, right? So they have a really good affiliate program that you could use. They have online courses that you can build. Email marketing is all integrated, and you just don't get that with any other program. Everything you got to integrate your own, but they got everything all in one here, right? It's all in one. Integrate your email list with your website and funnels, right? Pretty important stuff. We help entrepreneurs like you grow their online business. Um, they do this in such a unique way, and they have a really good community. So they are fully integrated. Every feature in System.io works together, right? So it saves you time, money, and effort. It is simple. It is fast. It is truly simple and fast. There's no communication with third-party services. It's just going to be System.io all the way, and it's super affordable. Can't stress how affordable it is. It's just one of the best programs around. Can't recommend it enough. And we're actually going to go down to testimonials here and just take a look at what this one guy says. So Lori Richardson, I have to say, I just started using System today, and I absolutely love it. I know I have some learning to do, but I was able to build a funnel and an email campaign in 15 minutes, where Builderall took me hours. Builderall is another great one, but you got to be a pro. That's the thing. System makes it super easy, so they are one of the leaders in my book. So we're going to actually just scroll down here super quickly. We're going to go to Samcart. Samcart is a great product as well if you're looking to sell more of an single product. They're integrated with PayPal. They got that 14-day free trial. They do have all the upsell features. Cost is very good too, but this is really only if you're looking to have something super simple. I don't want to set you up with something too simple because it really does uh, it doesn't work out in the long run if you already have it. Works out if you have a business, but it doesn't work out if you're starting from the beginning. So Unbounce, another great product here. Unbounce is amazing. um, they do give you a lot of freedom in crafting their landing pages, and they are very quick and speedy. Unbounce may be the tool for you. So when we go through all this, I want you guys to remember that all you got to do is think of one thing that you're good at that you can teach or that you can sell. You go to one of these websites, you make a sales page, and there you go. You have a business. And in my own course, I'm going to show you how to do all of that uh, very, very quickly. Start a business in one day, in under 5 hours, I'd say. Instant Page, another great product here. Instant Page, landing page software, easy to use, super easy. Really love them. Um, we're going to go down, 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 down to, no, we're going to skip over lead pages. I got a problem with the lead pages. 10-minute funnels. Yep. So we're actually going to go to the 10-minute funnels website because they're doing something pretty interesting here. So boom, we're going to go to the 10-minute funnels web page, and we are going to take a look. Oh no, their loading speed's not so good. Okay, awesome. So they have an awesome try 10-minute free try 10-minute funnels now for $1. This is something you just don't get anywhere else. They have a super sleek and easy. Check this out. Look how simple that is. All visual, right? Tons of beautiful marketing pages. You can really be creative here, but we're not necessarily in the market of being too creative. We're in the market of making money. So we're going to go back here and we are going to go to Ontraport. This is one I'm not too familiar with. I haven't used them for any of my businesses, but uh, they do have a good reputation in the community. So just want to let you guys know that. And really do recommend signing up for System as well, System.io. We're going to go to this cheap ClickFunnels alternative because everyone likes saving some money. So we already know about System, we already know about Sam's Cart, we already know about Unbounce, we already know about Instapages. Basically all of this is what we already have discussed here. So these are the more affordable options to go into. ClickFunnels, they're really for the guys who can have that little bit extra money in their pocket. Um, it's really something that you can think about moving into later. If we were to go down to systems, little description here, love this show here. So we're going to read this out for you. So with so many different options to choose from when starting or managing an online business, it's difficult to choose for your company. When comparing alternatives to ClickFunnels, try to choose a solution that will both meet your business expectations and honor the limits of your budget. Very important. Features, mobile device accessibility, customer support, and integration are all important factors to consider. Extremely important. If you have a favorite in mind, your best bet is to conduct further research to ensure it's the right product. All of these tools and platforms help manage an online business and drive sales. Each offers pros and cons. Very, very true. If you're fresh into the world of online business, then System.io may be perfect software to get you started. Very, very true. System.io is the perfect software to get you started, as it covers everything in one easy to use integrated marketing platform, from website creation to email marketing campaigns to sales funnels. Everything to do with marketing is covered here. So that is the truth. They have everything under one hub. Um, Whichever product you decide to go for, any listed. Oh, let's start over here. So whichever product you decide to go for, any listed here is sure to help you craft or improve your online business. These 7 articles may be of interest to you. So that is the truth. We really got to keep in mind that System.io has everything under the hood. We're going to go to the funnel hacking live. Um, you're going to see lots of these funnel hacking products. Russell Brunson, Prince EA, Catherine Jones. All of these people are titans in the funnel world, and they're really going to help you out. But you gotta remember they know how to make money, and they're trying to make money from you. So that's why I like System. Now, I really want to discuss super quickly with you how to get started. So if we were to whip over to the System.io features page, of course, which we were previously checking out. Um, this is everything you're going to get. So you're going to get the sales funnels, you're going to get the email marketing, you're going to get the website builder, an affiliate program management tool so you can bring on your own affiliates and then get them to promote your product. Business automation, evergreen webinars, super important. If you make that 1 hour video, you can have an webinar that can generate sales for you forever. You can even sell products. You can become a drop shipper. Um, they have everything integrated into one. So if you're just starting out, really do recommend it. And you can even build your online courses, or you can just start a blog, but it's going to give you all the tools. And the great thing is you can integrate the online courses with a business automation, with a website builder, with a product, with a sales funnel. You can integrate these in however way you want, and bingo bango, you are going to be good to go. It is a wonderful tool. Can't recommend it enough. When you look at things like, I'm actually going to jump back here. When you look at products like Carta or Kajabi, actually we're going to go to Carta's website, Carta Funnel, another competitor of ClickBank. I'm not ClickBank, ClickFunnels, so another great competitor. They do things a little bit different. We'll watch a little intro here. Boom, boom, boom. They know what they're doing, but they are going to cost you a little bit more when we run into the plans and pricing, but they have some extra tools and extra integrations. They do have the mail integrated, they do have the memberships, but that's all something the system has, but they have the help desk. That's very important. They also have affiliates. It's great as well. They have an agency. Um, it's awesome for the pro and great for the every Joe. Very important too, right? They're trying to make the software good for everybody under the sun, which means that it's going to be good for you. Now, just keep in mind that as you go through this process, you're probably going to want to jump from one to the next, but what you really want to do is stick with a with whatever funnel builder you choose, stick with it. That's where the money comes. It's in dedication. So what are the system requirements? It's just a cloud hosted software, so you don't actually need a good computer for it. What package should you choose? It doesn't really matter. Start small, of course, but always want to jump to testimonials so you can kind of see. I want to give you a little intro here. Very true. We're all trying to get different pieces of technology to work every single day. Yep, without a doubt. These things, they can be struggled, but that's why companies like Carta, they're trying to get everything integrated. Look at the background here. These guys know what they're doing. Uh, it is a fantastic product with a fantastic team, and I would highly recommend continuously looking into this. So we're just going to scroll through some more reviews here, go over and over and over. Um, Maybe you want to join their Facebook group, and talk to them and get their opinions. You can do anything. All of these funnel builders have Facebook groups. You go in there and you network with some people. If you go in there and network with some people, there's a good chance they'll even give you a job. Going back to making money, how we're going to make money with these kinds of things is not only by selling our own products on it, but it's also by selling their products. That's going to be one of the most important features is selling their products, right? Selling products that businesses need to businesses. And the way to do that is by going into their community and talking to them and maybe even say, hey, guys, I don't know if anyone's looking for some help here, but I could use a new position, a new start in my life, and I'm looking to grab a job. Jump into one of these communities, and there's someone who will help you out. A lot of these guys are secret millionaires. Um, these web guys are crazy, and these guys even have a affiliate program, right? So you could become an affiliate. You sign up for the Carta program, you build an affiliate marketing campaign around them, and then you're good to go, right? You can promote them, making recurring commissions. It's great. You always want to look through things like important notices, right? Um, See what they allow and don't allow. Very, very important. Very powerful stuff. And always read through everything that they have. Always read through it all, because they're going to give you great little pieces of ads to use here. Facebook compliant banners, very important. So you don't want to be using products that are going to get you in trouble with Facebook, right? You need to remember that Facebook is cracking down on people these days, but the companies know that and they're going to do what they can to help you out. So maybe we'll scroll down here to the affiliate section. Oh no, this is just another banner. So we're going to go boom, 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 all the way down. Check out their company. I really do like Carta. I think that they're great. So they are, they know about Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, Carta, all of these companies. They're making a lot of money and they're trying to help you make a lot of money. So it is just great. We're going to go to their partners at Digital Genius here. Our partners right? So they're integrated with Stripe, Google, Talkbox, Bright Verify, Pusher, Amazon, MaxMind, Rackspace, and YouTube, right? So these guys are big guys on the block. They know what they're doing. Genesis Digital, great products. They're integrated with Aweber, PayPal, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, Active Campaign, great product too. Active Campaign is fantastic. Mailchimp, Braintree, we're going to jump over. It's not a link. That's okay. So we're going to go to their blog, and I want to quickly touch on their, where is it? Monetization, right? Everyone's favorite topic, monetization. So this is actually a very cool article I read a little bit ago. So a lesson from luxury bags, the power of scarcity. Um, this was, all about how, something simple like a bag can be turned into a luxury product. And when you put it through something like System or ClickFunnels or Carta or GrooveFunnels, um, you can turn a simple product into a luxury good, and you can make millions of dollars off of it just because you have made it have a perceived value much higher than it does. Right? If you can't get it anywhere but your web page, it's exclusive, um, or even inside your webinar. Um, Tons of tricks and tools that you can use, and of course I'm going to show you all of that in the coming days here, inside my private course. So blah blah blah, lots more to see. So um, we're just going to wrap this up shortly here. I don't want to keep you too long. So, long story short, we've kind of gone through all the funnel builders, even, there's tons to talk about in this space. So just keep your eyes up and ask any questions, and go teach others, join some of these Facebook groups. It's really going to help you.